People, I fish pot this, right? Want to grade me from 1 to 10 and tell me how it look. It's not because of the first time making this. So anybody who I'll give you a slice. People, welcome back to the next video. So today, I'm going to river to set a fish pot to make it because I want to get some crayfish because I want to make some crayfish soup. You see me? So I vlog that see fish pot in here, so I'm going to show them how to set it, you see me? So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share the video, you see me? Share it to everybody you know, and also follow me on Instagram, Stammer TV Vlogs, you see me? And follow my personal IG, Jeff876, you see me? They just follow me on all platforms. Oh, and also TikTok, follow me on TikTok also, Stammer TV Vlogs also, you see me? So just stay tuned. I want to see the fish pot, you see? I nah come back up, I just spend the river and roast 2 fish and all that, so just stay tuned for that. People, I'm buy the fish now, so I'm going to show them my reach, you see me? Alright people, I couldn't show them how to buy the fish again because I see that player don't know the copyright, so I couldn't show when time I buy the fish, so I'm going to show them something now. I'm going to show when I go to the fish pan. Everybody come from Linstead must know down here, so map. Spin on the camera now, I'm going to see what's going on. Alright, everybody's supposed to know down here, so who fall from Linstead. After you pass Linstead skate line and come down, see there, big gun and lodge. Everybody must know down here, so you see me, so I river down here, so I set the fish pot, so I'm showing them reach still. I'm with me start record again. So people, I'm to river now. People I can't go in the water yet, I first go and wait, okay, you see me? Because I walk a long way. I'm kind of hot, so now we get to kind of cool off and then we go in the water, you see me? So I'm soon from beer until I cool off, you see me? People like rain and fall now, so I'm going to the water and do me I do before the rain start fall. You see me? I also want to set the fish pot before the rain start fall. You see me? And also roast the fish, so I'm going to show you what I go on now. You see me? So just stay tuned. I mentioned before, like the video, share the video to everybody you know, subscribe, and also follow me on Instagram, follow me on TikTok, Stammer TV Vlogs, and also Jeff876. You see me? So just share the video. Yeah man. So people, rain and fall now, so I say I can roast the fish before the rain fall, you see me? So I come out of the water just for the fish I can see it, you see me? So I look some sticks now and I can see what I go on. But down here so I can hardly find a stick. But stay tuned, I soon show you back what I go on. I think I'm going to put the fire now because it's like rain and fall, so I want to before the rain start fall, you see me? So I don't know if I put the fire, I'm going to burn ashes then we can put on the fish, so just stay tuned, man. So people see fire there, fire catch up. So as soon as that don't burn out, then we can put on the fish. You see me? So the fish here, one fish we get to the pound and we season. You see me? So just stay tuned, you see me? I want to know, share that video here, share to everybody you know because enough more video like this are come, so just share that video to everybody you know. You see me? Smash the like button. When you like the video, YouTube actually like the video and actually push the video, you see me? So like the video, subscribe if you're new, and touch the bell. So people, I'm going to wash the fish now and then cook it on the grill, you see me? So I'll give you 2 slices. Then have the season on it.
Jam one joy.
That's you enjoy, man. So now come on back. Open this out.
Right, it's in the sun I got turn up.
This guy is want to grill now people. But if you come up back.
Let's just do that same, say brother.
And the bun up. Tell you more.
Pretty?
No. It's people, so you on that now. People are no to the fish patty because through the rain they block up like you want to fall under Joe. Is me so? I say alright, I want the fish before you see the fish patty, is me? Because I want to see the fish, is me so? It's alright, do the fish first and then you see the pot, is me so? Stay tuned. So now come out now, so hopefully it stay out so we can get to see the pot, is me? And some person come on the river so because I don't want to set it, nobody see because I don't want when I'm gone, somebody circle back. You see me so hopefully I set it and I catch, you see me, because I really want to boil some crayfish soup. So stay tuned for that because I'm showing when time I draw the pot back, you see me, and showing if I get none. So I carry on right through, you see me, step by step. Yes people, someone just turned the fish a while ago, you see me, so if I just keep on turning it because I don't want to burn because as you know fish easy to cook, so you turn it, keep on turning it, you see me. People, I fish pot this, right? I want to grade me from 1 to 10 and tell me how it look. You see me, because it's the first time making this, so anybody who know how to make, just grade me from 1 to 10. You see me, so see all them, see all if you can go through. You see me? So grade me from 1 to 10 and tell me what you think. Right? The fish coming on lovely, right? Them two lift up the plate, you see me? And this are the meat, make it with the meat, put in it, right? Yeah man, so keep the meat, you kind of season already, you see me? Because it is season for use. But I take it to the fridge and carry it, so that I'll go be the bait. Yeah, so I lock it up now and carry it way down there, so because I'm not about to find it, you see me, so lock up this guy down there, so but I care about this, the fish supposed to finish, you see me. My brother, I'll go and watch it, the fish and the bag there, you see me, because when I want to go away, I will go away, something missing from out of the bag, you see me, so you must stay and watch that. Well, me go set them, because I want to carry far, but nobody see me and set it, you see me. So, see to your people, I'll go. People are being ticky. So I'm here, so. I'm going as far as possible, you see me, because nobody see me, I set it. You see me? Not them part of it, so that'd be nice, but because I don't want them boys to see me and set it, you see me? I don't want nobody to see me and set it. So I think I can go as far as possible. Enough, look at ticket down here, the people. But I'm going to set it. People, I'm going to set it under there, so. You see me? I think they're so alright, it's also alright. You see me? So me put on the camera now. So they can see me. I think I put it on a stone there. Yeah. Hopefully now see me. I will put it up here. So, people may walk way back up there, so I don't know if you can see, but we up to them walk. So, people, stay tuned. I mentioned before, I'm going to show you what time I come back for the fish pad, you see me? So, hopefully I catch crayfish, you see me? So, just stay tuned. I'm going to show you back when I reach back, which I'm going to do the fish, you see me? So, I eat the fish and then I leave out, you see me? Because the main reason I come down here is because I want to set the fish pad. You see me? I say, alright, roast and fish same way. Make you very more interested and show you what I go on. You see me? So just stay tuned. People look at change the plans. I think I put it in here, so I think in this is a better place. So you're careful to this. So I move it from where it is down there and put it right here, so you see me? So stay tuned. So people, I set it right here. You see me? Because I think say what do you say? What do you say that be better than down here, so because the banking, yeah, so stay tuned again. I'm going to consume fish and then leave out and go home. So morning, I'll be back right here. So I'll go home, edit the video, drop it, and show a separate video with me. I draw the fish pot, you see me? So people must take out fish now. Yeah man, so come on. Look at it, must have people. Yeah. See there, it kind of mush up now because brother turn it and make it mush up, you see me? So mash it between me and him, consume something before and go home. So people are digging that fish now.
All time can be there with the dead. No man, put it there. Come run and jump up and say, in there.
So I'll show them some people and then the road, you see me? How fish taste? How it taste? How it taste? So you can't tell me boy in the nice or whatever. How it taste? You like it? How it taste? It like a fry or how it taste?
Can go on, man.
You can go on. So how much you get out of 10?
9.5.
Alright. Alright people, so I leave the river. I never get to swimming though because of the rain, as I say now, you see me? I never get to swimming, so all I do, I just do fish because I do want to see the fish, so I just do fish, set the pot, you see me? So tomorrow now I can circle back and draw the pot and hopefully I catch something because it's my first attempt catching crayfish. I never ever yet catch crayfish like this before, you see me? So this is my first attempt. I said before, the fish pot there, and me make it. First time I build fish pot, first time I catch crayfish, so hopefully we catch something, you see me? Right now I'm going to go home, I'm going to see you, I just close the vlog now, I just close the vlog, so tomorrow now, just stay tuned for tomorrow, because tomorrow now I have video of me, I dry the pot so you can see what I go on, you see me? More and buy some crayfish soup, if we catch none, you see me. I don't think I'll do the cook up tomorrow. I'll do it the next day, you see me. Yeah. So just stay tuned by subscribing to the channel. Share the video them. When you subscribe, make sure say yo when you touch the bell, you know time for the job. So just subscribe, share the video them, leave a comment down below, and tell me where Linstead they have the best river. Yeah man, just comment below. If I come from Linstead, comment and tell me where in Linstead the best river then there. Yeah man. Also like the video. I'm out.